Hi, happy Saturday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione. What a beautiful weekend of weather that is ahead. We'll have low humidity, lots of sunshine this weekend. Today, we'll have those temperatures getting to around 80 or 81 degrees. Very comfortable for all outdoor activities. A little bit of a breeze out of the west at around 5 to 15 miles an hour, and some gusts of around 25 to 30 miles an hour are possible. And there will be a slight risk of a shower or thunderstorm. I think that risk primarily is to our north, but slight chance is there, and you can see as we head into our futurecast mode, this is around noontime. We're looking at dry and sunny conditions. Notice how most of the activity is to our north, central Massachusetts, maybe Vermont, New Hampshire. We essentially have this cool pool of air, not a cool pool on the ground, but a cool pool of air way up high over our heads that could trigger some of these thunderstorms. You could see as we go 3, 4 o'clock, a slight chance a few of these showers or storms could slip through. If you do get an interruption, it will be very brief, and I think most of us avoid the showers altogether today. We clear out nicely tonight as we set up for a gorgeous, cool, refreshing night. I think a lot of low temperatures, especially outside of Providence, going into the 50s overnight into Sunday morning. That's all for now. We'll be posting more updates right here on WPRI.com. Have a good day.